बहुत सारे ग्राउंड बुकिंग ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂಪೈರ್ಸ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂತು ಫುಲ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದೇ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಕೆ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲ
So here we go. To innings number 2, another chase. Will this score be chased down or be defended? The different we here have upset. The toss is going on for the next one. Heads towards the ball.
ಇರ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಕಾಣ್ತೇವೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೇವೆ
It stays.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಟಿಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕವರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
Yuva Nakula has won the toss in the second match after this is it. So here we go for the very first ball. The very first ball is a very high in the air. In the gap, but will find the fielder definitely with this single run. So with this, the batter opens his account of his team. The very first one. The score of team of which is 1. So here we go for the second delivery. This time, there is a chance of support, but keeper misses it out completely. Form of the buys, the batter has come out there's a clear chance of a wicket then, but the keeper missing it out. So 2 deliveries completed, 2 runs coming on the board, 1 in front of the buys and 1 in front of the bat. And here we go for the third delivery. So delivery, yeah, in the air, it's a catch. What a catch, it has been taken in the 30-yard circle. It's a beautiful catch. And the first wicket, the opening batsman has to walk back to the pavilion. The big wicket falling down for team. Good cricketers are chasing down the target of 34 here. Wicket falling for them in the very first over here.
Next year.
Aksar, we have seen him playing beautifully at the back, knock the ball and causing trouble for the new batter will be Surendra. Good cricketers. An excellent catch was taken there by Rahul inside the 30-yard circle. My mistake for Raghu. Those catches are not so easy to be taken. The 3 deliveries completed. Just 2 runs for a minute. Excellent over so far. 4th delivery by Akshay.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಹೊಸ ಟೀಮ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ
But still, matches will be fine.
ಆಡುವ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿಯಾರ ಜನ
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ
In the air. It's a no ball single with the umpire. No ball plus 1. So with this no ball, there's another kick given. I guess it's a free hit. So there's a free hit. I guess the ball is overstepped. The umpire is clearly making the ball understand why the no ball has been given. I request the players to continue the match as soon as possible because there are many more matches to go.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ
We have experienced umpires on the ground. The umpires are sitting for us as an umpire. So it's a break now. It's a break. The score is 5-1 goal.
ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ
Delivery. The batsman has the opportunity to free his arms on this delivery. This time, ball is not giving one chance, but just giving away a single on the free hit delivery. But there was no chance to definitely contribute. So one last delivery to go. This time, trying to make it, but no connection. The form of buys, they complete the single, and with the single, the first over and the power play is coming to an end. The score on the scoreboard is 7 on the board for the loss of 1 wicket.
ಗಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅಂತ ಸುಲಭನ
27 more runs required of 18 deliveries. 27 required of 18 deliveries. This will be a great change.
ಏನು ಬರ್ನಾಗ
One wicket has fallen.
ಏನು ಬರ್ನಾಗ ಅಚ್ಚಲನ್ನ ಬುರುಕೊಳ್ಳೊಂದಿರ್ತೇನೆ ಅವೇ ಒಂದು ಅದು ಅನಿಲ
Subhendra and Akshay, both the batters are inside the ground. The new bowler will be Sandeep. Sandeep to bowl the second over for Team Yogalaga. So the power play has been completed and the score is 7-0. To bowl the second over we have Sandeep. Sandeep, let's see how will he rush the batsman. On strike we have Akshay. He steps off behind here against the elevation, but has he found the distance? No, he has found the winter. It's a beautiful catch taken down there, one more wicket falling down there. The batsman got the elevation there, but he could not find the distance what he wanted. But has found the fielder there. The batsman looking very upset because of that shot, because he knew he had to clear the boundary to relieve some pressure. But when the boundaries are not coming, I would definitely suggest the batters to rotate the strike, because every single run will contribute to the chasing of the game. The new batter will be Raghu to the side of Kochi cricketers. The next match will be between Kochi cricketers and Yuva Chetna Kulai Vasabekar. The toss has been won by Yuva Chetna Kulai Vasabekar. This is this time in the air, but will find the fielder for a save. The score now will move on to 8-0. The score is moving at a very slow pace. Excellent delivery there. What a ball is this? The batsman could not judge that kind of delivery. He is out there. The batsman just walking back to the pavilion, and the next match was the has won the ball. They have
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಜಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ
ಇದು 3 wickets have fallen down. Chasing is looking very hard.
ಸರಿ
ಹೌದಾ ನಮ್ಮಷ್ಟೇ ಐತಿ
Bowlers of Yuvabalaga team are working. It's very hard for the batters of team Kochi cricketers here. Definitely they will try some strategies to chase down. They need to make some kind of strategies or else the chase will be harder.
ಹೌದು ಕಾರಲಾಗುದಿಲ್ಲ
The new batter will be Hariprasad. 3 wickets on the ground. What an excellent over is this? The fourth delivery again, an excellent delivery of short ball. The batsmen are missing it out. Just one run in this over so far. 2 wickets. What a great bowling. This one shot. One big shot. But I guess it has found the fielder. Yes, sir. The fielders are not allowing the batsman to score. Just one run given away. So with this, one more delivery to do. Just 2 runs given away. One last delivery. What excellent over here. Going for a reverse hit, but no connection. Absolutely missing it out. The batters yet still will find 1 run in the form of leg ball. So with this, the over number 2 has been completed. And the score is just 10 on the board for the loss of 3 valuable wickets. The pressure is building for Kochi cricketers, definitely. They have to make some strategy. 2 overs completed. 2 more overs to go. 12 more deliveries to go. So to go the third over we have Ganesh. So Raghu will be taking the strike for the third over. 24 required of 12 deliveries. So the required run rate per over is 12 runs per over. 24 of 12. Here we go for the third over. Ball number 1 of third over. One excellent delivery here. That's is trying for the second, but excellent fielding there, just again keeping away single. Which is the score now moves on to 11 on the board. So 23 required of 11 deliveries. Sharma lofting it. The gap, but one run completed. Was a great running there, but it could have been a run out if it would have been a great look. The batters this time finding 2 runs in. The score will now move on to 13. The 2 deliveries completed. The third delivery on process. Third delivery in the batter, this time trying to hit it round the ground, but it's an appeal for a stomp out, but the batsman was well inside the crease, but it's an excellent delivery here again. What a great bowling attack. This is from the side of Dave Balaga. Not allowing the batters, the batsman has to look the delivery and then go for a shot. He has to try to connect it, definitely one boundary is on the ground going up. He's some pressure. This time again lofting it. The fielder is present there, the fielder checking it very beautifully. Just one run even with this time again. Because the score now moves on to 14 on the board. Fifth delivery here. This time again trying for a big hit, but no connection, no timing, it's a dot ball. So one last delivery of this over to go. It's high full toss by this, the umpire will signal it as a no ball. So no ball and 1. 2 runs added onto the scoreboard and a free hit is also an opportunity. It's an opportunity for the batsman. This time definitely the batter has to make use of this opportunity. This is high in the air. 1 run completed. Will this be an out? No. 2 runs completed here. So with this, the over number 3 is completed. Score is 18 on the board with the loss of 3 wickets. So one last over to go. 16 required. 16 required of those final 6 deliveries. This will be a great chase if they score 16 runs. Definitely they need boundaries, they need biggies. 1 boundary, 1 6. It definitely change the momentum of this match. Definitely Raghu is one strike. So to ball the final over, we have Mahesh. I request all the players as soon as the match number 1 is finished to enter into the field as soon as possible for the match number 2. That is the Gucci cricketers A and Yuva Chandra number 2. Both team players kindly enter into the field as soon as the match is over.
The bag is there.
It's a wide this time. Score is 19 now. This time there's an outside edge. Definitely there was a chance of a catch, but not a great, not an easy catch there, but keeper made some efforts there. It's 1 run taken away. The score is 20 now. 14 required of 5 deliveries. What an excellent match is this. The very first match of this tournament. The second delivery has been out there. Has he found the distance? No. He has found the fielder again. For some point of time, it looked like he has found the distance. But unfortunately, the batter has found the fielder. The shot straight away moved into the hands of fielder. What a great catch under pressure. So 1 more wicket falling down under pressure there. 4 wickets have been fallen down. 20 runs on the board. The new batter will be Girish.
ನಮ್ಮ ಎದುರು ಓಡಿపోవచ్చు ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ
This time the new batter big hit. This is the stop out. This is clear carelessness by the batsman. This is clear carelessness and good presence of mind by the keeper there. He might have missed the catch, but this is some kind of great keeping. Not all keepers have this some kind of presence of mind behind the wickets. So one more wicket falling down. The half side of the team has walked back to the pavilion. 5 wickets falling down. So 14 required of final 3 deliveries. 14 required of final 3 deliveries. The new batter will be Raghu. This time, one excellent ball there. No runs left. So 14 required of 2 deliveries. If those 2 deliveries are legal, then the match is over. This time trying to go down the ground, but has won the fielder will give away 1 run. So one last delivery to go. 13 required. 13 required of the one last delivery. Final delivery. What an excellent match, what an excellent delivery. Just 1 run given away in the form of leg byes, and with this, Team Yuva Badaga have won their first match. What an excellent gameplay